3, baby. 3. I challenge anybody to got this tink to do 3 full Robbies. Hey, welcome to another episode of Militime Family Foods and Gardening. Yeah, we're outside. It's a beautiful day today. I think we're supposed to get to 70 degrees today. Man, we ain't been this warm in a minute. So it's nice. It's really nice outside. There might be a little bit of background noise. My son, neighbors next door, but no worries. We have got a special treat to jump into today. And so I saw a couple videos today. I was like, you know what? I feel a little inspired, a little encouraged, a little time to go ahead and jump into the party. So I watched Walker Texas Pepper do my Miller Berry for the first time in a season review. And then I turned around and I saw the bull cows get, well, Chris got hammered by the Hellhammer tincture. Now there you go. That's, I'd like to get me some of that. And then I saw Caperway. The Caperway hit some community tink. And so I was like, you know what? I have a tincture I need to still do. I need to do a review on a tincture. And so I'm about to get into this. Shall we? We're getting ready to do the Mellow Yellow. I don't know if that's backwards on the camera or not. But we're getting to get Mellow Yellow by UNCLEBULLCOW. And not only are we going to do 1 Robbie, but I believe that we're going to do 3 Robbies. 3 Robbies of the yellow. Let's see how mellow it really is. I hear it's an excellent tasting tincture. So I'm looking forward to the taste of it. Now 3 of them, I don't know how hot that's going to get. I heard this is not as rowdy as the Omega, but still 3 Robbies. Just saying. Anyway, we call it Mellow Yellow for 2 simple reasons. It's a touch more mellow than our Omega tincture, and it's made with yellow pods. This pepper forward tincture is made with 7-pot Primo Yellow, Yellow Reaper, MOA Scotch Bonnet, Yellow Tie, Scotch Brain Yellow, Yellow Brain Strain, Yellow Fever, White Moruga, and a bunch of other yellow pepper powders. There's no added flavors. This is a pure pepper tincture. Enjoy. Well, we're about to see if we enjoy or not, and then I can teach you how to do. If you never seen anybody do the Robbie, how to figure out how to do it. It's real simple. You just squeeze and let go now, okay? And then you turn it upside down. When people put their hands, it's going to be confusing. They don't know if they're squeezing or not. You want to turn it upside down and squeeze because you're going to push the air out and hold on to it and turn it back over and let go again. Okay, up, push the air out. Oh. Boom. Up. Push the air out. Turn it back over. Boom. And then we look at it, see if it's got anything in there. If it's full or not. Looks pretty close. Let's take a look at it, shall we? Not even close. I hope this is not one of those like defaulted droppers so you can't get them in there, get them full. That would suck. All right, let's try that. All right, just a little bubble on the end. That's, you forgive me, right? And plus there's already some on the very tip. So it's just a small little bit. Smells good. Now, the real challenge is going to be putting this in my mouth and then trying to refill another one. And then by the time I get to the 3rd one, look out. Anyway, let's get into this, shall we? Oh. Ooh. Yeah, that tastes warm. One more. Ooh. Time out. Ooh. Hiccups. See how mellow 3 are, huh? Nose is running, eyes are watering, mouth is on. Probably about 3.5, 4. Told you I had to jump in on the fun. I'll get some paper towel. It's definitely warm. Five and a half, 6. Wow. Back of the tongue is burning. Arms and hands are tingling. Face is tingling. About a 7. 7. Seven and a half. That's painful. My face is tingling. Ears are burning. Face is just numb. Dude. That's hot. We'll give that a 9. Oh, wow. My face and hands are still tingling. I'm out there, the burn is starting to go down some. Crap. That's hot. Three, baby. 3. I challenge anybody to got this teak to do 3 full Robbies. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it was rough. My lips are still burning a little bit. Tongue is still burning. About a 5, 4 or 5. Throat burn is down to 0, about down to 1. Back of the tongue was the hottest part, I think, of the whole burn. Whoa. I just want to thank you, Chris. Still burning pretty good. We're blessed to be with these tinctures. Really, really good and really hot. Really hot. I appreciate you, buddy. The hot sauce was hot as well. You've been a blessing to me. I appreciate you guys. And only thing left to do now is the fudge challenge. Half thumbs up. Anyway, guys, this went down tremendously. Check out Uncle Bull Cow. He's got a YouTube channel, and he does sauces and reviews on his channel. Send him some stuff to review, guys. Check him out. Go subscribe to his channel. I'll put his information down below. Thank you guys for supporting. Get me up to 200. Let's get me to 200. I'm at 190. Anyway, I appreciate the support and the love. Thanks again, guys. See you guys. Love you.